it will have the highest SPF in the market. In the market, SPF 50 is the highest. Okay, so this product, it is a all-in-one product. It will give you brighter and lighter skin, but at the same time giving you all the coverage that a BB product normally does. Okay, so with that, right, you know Maybelline, we have 3 products: BB cream, BB mousse, BB UV white. So now, how do you choose which product is suitable for you? Okay, because you know BB is a all-in-one product, so there's, you cannot like layer it and stuff like that. Okay, so we have actually, what do you call, endorsed 3 ambassadors: Kimberly Chia, Jamie Lim, and Ross from 987. Okay, so all these 3 girls embody the Maybelline spirit, and they will tell the BB lifestyle story. So how do you choose a BB product? Is choose one that fits your lifestyle. Okay, so for Kimberly, she's endorsing BB UV white. Okay, BB UV white, if you're a girl who's always outdoors, you know, or let's say you're a model or an actress, or you know, you're someone who likes sports to go to the beach, BB UV white, yes, it's very good for outdoors. With SPF 50, it covers it has the highest sun protection. Okay, for BB mousse, okay, you know BB mousse is a more sophisticated product. A mousse product, it stands from the luxury brands. Okay, so it's a bit more sophisticated. So we have used Ross to embody this product, because Ross, you know, she's been in the scene for a long time. Okay, you get a flawless coverage. And finally, for BB cream, it's actually the entry-level BB cream. Okay, we recommend it for people to go to school. So Jamie, she's actually an SMU student, and nowadays, you know that students nowadays in school, they also wear a bit of makeup. So this is perfect for you because it keeps your skin hydrated. So when you go to the lecture theatres and all that, okay, you still don't feel, you wouldn't feel that your skin is very dry. Okay, so now that you have a bare face look with our BB products, then we have a new blush called Jelly Glow Blush. Okay, a lot of you have been asking about this product online. It's here in Singapore. It's called Jelly Glow Blush. It gives you a radiant and cheeky glow, and at the same time, it has a new texture. The texture is very fun. It's very cute. So cute that you just keep wanting to press it, okay? Okay, so with that, I think all of you, okay, eyes are the windows to your soul, and for Asians, eyes is the most important. So we have 2 new eye products, okay, that will help you achieve a big eye look. First is Magnum Mascara and Master Liner White. Okay, Magnum Comb Mascara. Okay, why a comb? A comb brush, right? Our comb brush is actually made of rubber. Okay, so for those people who find it very difficult to apply mascara, for example, sometimes when you want to apply mascara, the brush, the bristles are all over your eyes, right? So with this comb brush, which is actually catered to Asian lashes, it will make your lashes easy to use, as well as give you a defined lashes from root to tip. So your lashes will look very sleek and very defined. And this is perfect for people who you don't want to look too heavily made up. Okay, it's good for school, it's good for work. Okay, and finally, it's Master Liner White. Okay, big eye, doll eye effect, the kawaii look. This is all the rage right now, and everyone is asking, how do I create this look? Okay, with the Master Liner White, it's kind of like a alternative to all these costly enhancements that out there. So what you do is that you actually line it at the bottom of your eye to give you a wide eye look. Wide eye look, not white eye look, but wide eye look. Okay, I know it's very hard for me to like explain to you how to achieve this, but later our makeup artist will actually give you some tips and tricks on how to use this Master Liner White. Okay, and for your information, it's also smudge proof and waterproof. We have a little fashion show coming up for you, but Maybelline, we are a bit daring, so we're going to try something new. I hope all of you can take out your cameras. I want you all to look at the models, okay, and later you all tell me what is so different about them. Okay, so without any further ado, I would like to invite our models, and we'll start off with our fashion show.